Hey guys, how's it going? DGW Sports here with a new video, and today I'm going to be taking a quiz on if I can guess the Team LeBron and Team Steph All-Stars from this year's All-Star game. So there's 28 questions, we got 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do. So first, for Team LeBron, obviously Cleveland, it's got to be LeBron. Golden State Warriors forward is Kevin Durant. Boston guard, Kyrie Irving. Pelicans forward center, it's got to be Davis. New Orleans Pelicans center, DeMarcus Cousins, who unfortunately didn't play in the All-Star game because he was hurt. Indiana guard, Victor Oladipo. Oh, I about typed Victor Oladipo. OKC guard, Westbrook. A Washington guard, John Wall, who also did not play due to injury, and then the other Washington guard, Bradley Beal. Cleveland forward, Kevin Love, who also did not play because of injury. I believe he broke his hand. A Spurs forward was LaMarcus Aldridge. Another injury-plagued player, Kristaps Porzingis, who tore his ACL. So Team LeBron could have been completely stacked with John Wall and Porzingis and Kevin Love and DeMarcus Cousins. With Team LeBron, would they have won by more than 3 if Porzingis and Love and Cousins and John Wall were all in the lineup? I think they probably would have. Another OKC forward. Is that Paul? Oh, these are the guys that stepped in for the injured players. So Paul George stepped in because I don't know who exactly for, but one of them got injured. Drummond stepped in for one of them, and then actually surprisingly so did Goran Dragic, and so did Kemba Walker. Team Steph, obviously we got Curry, followed by James Harden, who James Harden is currently my #1 pick for the MVP. Next, we have Toronto guard DeMar DeRozan. I think it's, yeah, okay. Milwaukee forward, this is Giannis Antetokounmpo, who he did have my vote for MVP earlier in the season, but I believe that James Harden numbers have just skyrocketed since the beginning of the year. And I'm not doubting Giannis at all. I think he's definitely got MVP potential. I just don't think this is his year. I think it's James Harden's year. Philadelphia center, Joel Embiid, who was actually a starter. Another Toronto guard, Kyle Lowry. Portland guard, Damian Lillard, who actually didn't get snubbed from the All-Star game this year, which is always good to see. Minnesota guard, Jimmy Butler, who actually also did not play at all in the All-Star game. Not really sure why. Another Warriors guard, Klay Thompson. Golden State Warriors forward, Draymond Green. So yeah, the Team Steph had Curry, Klay, and Draymond Green. However, Team LeBron did have Durant. Boston forward, gotta be Al Horford. And then last but not least, Minnesota center, Karl Anthony Towns. So we did get a 28 out of 28. So if you guys enjoy these quiz type videos, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll try to do more of them, because not only are they fun to do, but they're fun to make. So yeah, if you enjoy these quiz type videos, leave a like on the video and leave a comment, because that's the best way we know what you guys like on the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.